This chicken's delicious.
What is it?
Delicious.
Alright guys, welcome back. I could not be more excited to be back in Thailand and back doing what I do best, which is finding you unique Thai food. Today it doesn't get much more unique than this. We're out in Nakhon Pathom, 45 minutes west of Bangkok, surrounded by palm trees, banana plantations. The setting could not be more perfect for the hay baked roast chicken that I'm about to show you. Gai Yang on a little farm with a little shack run by Uncle Peen, Uncle Peen, and he is going to show us the ropes. It's been here 30 plus years. I'm very, very excited to show you this one. I'm absolutely starving. I hope you're starving too. Let's go. As I said, it's just super, super peaceful around here. Very, very quiet back road. You'd never even know this was here unless, of course, you knew the roaming cook or one half of the dynamic duo, Diggy. How you doing?
Hey,
you
not
good?
bad. Yeah, good.
It's nice around here, isn't it?
Yeah, it's lovely.
Yeah.
Nice and peaceful.
Good. You looking forward to some chicken?
Yeah, I'm so hungry.
I'm starving. It smells so good, doesn't it?
I love the greenery around here.
Unbelievable, isn't it? So guys, obviously I'm just really concentrating on the food, but if you want a little bit more of an in-depth review of the area and a little bit more of a walk around, you've got to get over and see Diggy and Danny. So I'll leave links, obviously. We'll speak a little bit more in a bit, but we'll leave the links in the description, but you'll probably already follow them anyway.
Thanks.
Let's get some chicken, shall we?
Yeah, let's go.
I mean, we're eating chicken today, but we've even got some turakis. Maybe these are getting fattened up for next Christmas. All right, guys? We've got bed. So we've got a duck, we've got some turkeys, got some chickens. Special treat for you guys. He's going to actually start burning the hay, burning the chickens for us. We're going to see exactly how they're cooked right now. Let's go. Gai Yang Fang. Gai Yang.
Okay.
Okay. Uncle Peen.
Okay.
สวัสดีครับ สวัสดีครับ
This is where we go.
What they're doing, right? They put the chickens on these little metal poles, then they cover them with the metal tins here, hay on top, like this, and then just light it. So you've got 10 chickens, sib tua, and it's taking 1 hour. Takes about 1 hour, he said, and then we end up with 10 juicy chickens. All right, guys, so for me, this is really, really special. As just being a food nerd, I love stuff like this. I love just stuff that's pretty unique. I wasn't expecting there to be this much smoke and this much fire. It's gone up pretty quickly. It's baking hot. Obviously, being winter, I decided to wear a long sleeve polo shirt, pretty thick, like a jumper. And I'm really glad I did now, because it's about 78,000 degrees out, and now I'm standing next to a burning hay fire. How are you?
I'm good.
Thanks for inviting us.
Yes.
This is the man that makes it all happen.
It's my pleasure to have you guys here.
Thank you.
But they are so early, I'm late.
It's all right, you're on Thai time. All right, so Dan's just told us that traditionally they do this after the rice season because you've got a lot of hay left over, and this is actually from the rice crop.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
It looks amazing. Smells amazing. Taking chickens out.
I wish I had a little button on there that I could press so you could smell this chicken. As Diggy just said, like as he's chopping that chicken, there's juice just spraying out all over the place. This is one of the most moist looking at chickens I've ever seen in my life. I am so hungry now. You were mad, look. So this is just a great day out for you guys. If you're in Bangkok, you want to get out, see something a little bit different, see some greenery. As I said, 45 minutes away from Bangkok. But for now, we're going to get stuck in to this chicken. All right, guys, I cannot even explain to you how excited I am to show you this bad boy. Ouch, 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 ouch. It's very, 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 very hot. All right, so let's get a close up. All right, guys, so we've got two. We've got one chopped up, and we've got one chopped up, and then the other one we're just gonna rip apart to shreds with our hands. Diggy's gonna eat the head, and I'm gonna eat the rest. We've got some khao niao, sticky rice. We've got some nam jim gel. This looks to just be your standard tamarind fish sauce and palm sugar version. And then we've got some nam jim seafood. So cilantro or coriander, chili, garlic, sugar and lime juice. This looks and smells absolutely incredible. All right, guys, look at this. Super, super juicy. Dan's already nicked one of the legs, so I'm gonna turn him over. I'm gonna take the other leg off.
Come with us and you will explain us how to eat it, okay?
There you go. Oh my God. So let me break a little piece of this off. It is absolutely roasting, but I want to show you just how juicy and moist that is. Okay, so first up, leg with no sauce. Oh. Right, the first thing you're getting is how well seasoned this is. It's so soft, and there's so much seasoning. I'm getting a lot of soy sauce and salt, which means they must have marinated this for hours because it's brined the chicken. The skin's not crispy because where they put it in little boxes and then put it in the hay, it's kind of steamed. It's kind of like a rotisserie chicken. It tastes a bit like, yeah, a nice rotisserie chicken. Very, very soft. Very, very well flavored. Heavy on the garlic and pepper. I really, really like that. All right, let me run you through the sauces that we get with the gai ob. Nam jim seafood. So, as I said, coriander smashed up with sugar, garlic, red and green chilies, a little bit of lime juice. Usually you get this, obviously, as the name suggests, with seafood, but also a lot with pork. We've got nam jim gel, the Isan dipping sauce, but there's a few different types of this. Sometimes you get toasted rice and it's a little bit thinner. You got sauteed coriander and spring onions or red onions or shallots. This one is the very plain version. Now with my sauces, I like to get myself a little bit of sticky rice and just try the sauces with the plain rice before I go in with the chicken, just to get the full flavour. Nam jim seafood, heavy on the garlic, as you'd expect. Spicy, sour, sweet. That's very good. I'm looking forward to trying that with the chicken because, as I said, usually you get it with seafood or pork, not really with chicken. The gel. Yeah, it's the sweet, sour, tart, heavy on the tamarind version. All right, let's start dipping. We'll take a little bit more of the leg meat. I probably prefer the nam jim seafood. I'm not sure if that's because I'm not used to having it with Gai Yang or Gai Ob in this case. Usually you just get gel. It is like ridiculously juicy. I love this little combo. Soft, smoky, perfectly seasoned garlicky chicken with that spicy, sweet, sour dip is absolutely perfect. The garlic has obviously been in the vinegar so long, it's almost got a little fermented taste to it. But you know what, for me guys, the test is always with a roast chicken is the breast. The test is the breast. The breast test, ouch. What? All right, that actually looks really juicy. Next up, we're gonna go with the nam jim gel. Thai Isan dipping sauce. I like the gel. It's not my favourite type of gel. I prefer the one a little bit of lime juice and a bit more chilli, but still really, really good. The chicken, however, even the breast is so tender. I love this super flavourful, salty, peppery, garlicky, semi-sweet skin. I'm surprised it's not more smoky. There's a little like background smoke to it, which I really, really like. But with the amount of hay, I was expecting it to just taste of like smoked hay basically. But actually, where they put the metal containers over the top and create like the little oven, really the hay's there just for heat and a little bit of background flavour. So we've had the breast, we've had the leg. Right, I'm gonna try the head and the neck. Well, I'm gonna try and eat the neck. Now, a lot of you I know are going to be freaked out by me eating a chicken neck. But think of it like a chicken wing. Anywhere on the chicken that has a high like skin to bone ratio, the meat underneath is going to be so good. It's like the most chickeny part of the chicken. Alright, the chicken is absolutely fantastic. I mean, that kind of goes without saying. I knew it was going to be good, but it's not just the chicken, it's the whole experience. Like, Uncle Peen is very, very, very famous. I'm so shocked I've never been up here before, but he is known in the area. Like, well, he's known from here to Bangkok as having some of the best roast chicken, some of the most unique roast chicken that you're going to find. This, I'm told, by Dan. Dan said he hasn't had this for 20 years, since he was a kid. And he said this is hyper rare now. Like, you've seen in my other videos, I know where to get ong in the clay pot, but to have something done traditionally like this and getting back again the story about doing it at the end of the rice season, so you've got the hay left over from the rice, so you're using everything, nothing's going to waste. It's absolutely quality. He gets extra marks, Uncle Peen, for having 3 big pit bulls that are all sitting next to me waiting for their little bit of chicken. So I better get off and get them some chicken, otherwise they're gonna probably eat my leg, and we don't want that. Doggy, come here.
Yeah.
อร่อยไหม
คุยกันนะ
Your chicken's delicious.
What is it?
Delicious.
Super friendly family. Uncle Peen, absolute legend. His wife, absolute legend. Just in a little shack on the side of a little back street. As I said, palm trees, banana trees. You would not believe that this is like, well, I'd say outside of central Bangkok, I'd say you're looking at about an hour and 20, yeah. But out from my house, it only took me 35 minutes. So on a good day, if you left early enough, you could probably get out here from central Bangkok in less than an hour. I'm so shocked that no one, or next to no one, ever comes out here. This should be like a top tourist destination. There's so much good food around here, so many good little riverside cafes and little jungle cafes and stuff that, yeah, well, hopefully after this video, because it's such a great video, I hope you agree, I'm sure you'll agree, hopefully we might stick Nakhon Pathom on the map. Alright, but enough of what I think about this unbelievable chicken. Let's go see what Diggy, Danny and Danny think. And Yaya. Alright, so this is the main man, the man that made it all happen. How are you, Dan?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good. We want to get you, everyone over following your YouTube channel.
Yes. Well, thank you for Gary to coming along, because I love him. I'm his fan. So first time I met him, I like, oh, you are more handsome than in the camera. well, but that's true. Anyway, my channel is Dan Bangkok, DANN, and just Bangkok all together. I just want to tell you guys where to see things in Bangkok and in Thailand as a local perspective. So I'm not gonna go to like the tourist area. It will be tourist guide, which is not the tourist guide. And
Yes.
But this place wouldn't be fun without Gary. I love him.
Thank you so much. Hi, Yaya. สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีค่ะ
ครับ ช่องอะไรนะ All right, Danny and Diggy, what's going down?
Chicken's amazing, absolutely amazing. Never tried anything like this before. I've heard of it cooked this kind of way in England, but not the same. But this is absolutely unique.
It is, isn't it?
Burning behind me now, it's just going up in flames.
Madness, isn't it?
It's madness, yeah, absolutely madness. It's really good.
If you want to see what these guys have got to say about the chicken in length, in depth, then you can get over to their channel. Links again in the description. Diggy, talk to me.
This chicken.
What's this one called?
Nam Chin Chow.
Close enough.
Yeah, close enough. Really.
How is it?
น้ำจิ้มแจ่ว
Jiao.
Nam Chin Chow.
Jiao.
Yeah, that's good.
Nam Chin Chow. No, this chicken
better
is
than
amazing. You're literally picking up the bits, just ripping it off, and it's just like the meat. Look how shaky that is. It's so soft. It's literally like a jiggling.
It's like you said when we were seeing him cut it, and it was like spraying out all the juice, right? Actually, check this out, guys. Everyone get some sticky rice, quick. And if we move this chicken, just to prove Diggy's point earlier, if we move this chicken out the way, yeah,
Oh my god.
the whole bottom of the whole bottom of the
There's the juice of it.
thing is just full of juice.
Oh wow.
Like a soup.
Yeah,
Got a big.
like you can make a proper soup out of that. Look at that. We're gonna need some more cownio.
That's like a gravy, right?
Yeah. Oh,
That's good.
Because Thai we don't do the dipping there, but yeah, it's good.
I don't know which bit to eat.
อร่อยที่สุดในเมืองไทย
อร่อยที่สุดในเมืองไทย
Alright guys, I was so engrossed in the chicken that I forgot to actually tell you. If you're wondering why I'm not eating this with som tam, because they don't sell som tam anymore. Since COVID, they just sell the chicken. So he said before they sold som tam, lab, nam tok, like all the Isan classics. I was speaking to Uncle Peen earlier, and now, unfortunately, after COVID, they just sell the chickens, and people come to pick the chickens up usually and take them home. So if you do want som tam with your chicken, they don't mind if you go and pick one up somewhere else and bring it here. Also, there's a little shop just next door selling drinks and stuff, cold drinks, so you can grab a drink and bring it here. And there's a coffee shop across the road and they're really nice in there as well. But I'll stick links with everything, as I said, in the description box below. So for now, that's all from me. I will stick Diggy and Danny's and Dan's information, socials, all that good stuff in the description box below, along with all opening times and directions here. So please don't ask me for the opening times. All the directions, as always, they are in a link in the description. Guys, that's it from me today. I will see you back in Bangkok.